If you are a beginner and you want to learn how to do your own makeup, this video is perfect for you. So make sure you continue watching the full video so you can learn how to slay your own makeup. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, period. Before any makeup, you want to start out with a clean face, prepped and ready for products. And then you want to get your moisturizer. I love this one from Bioma. It's good for oily skin girlies because I am an oily skin girly, so I'm going in with this moisturizer to moisturize my face. So next, you're gonna need a primer, and I've been loving this Grippy Primer Serum from Maybelline. Now you're gonna need a foundation. I like the Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation, and this is the one I'm using for today. This is in the shade 350. So I'm gonna apply my foundation using this brush. This is a flat brush from Real Technique. And just spread that evenly along my face. And I'm gonna blend it out with this Expert Face Brush from Real Technique. And just blend that foundation into your skin. Kind of blend it in towards your neck so you have no harsh line right here. Now it's time to go in with some contour, and contour is basically going to structure your face and bring some color back into your face. Just basically enhance your features, like your jawbone. Go in with some contour, sculpt out your features. So I'm gonna sculpt my chin and my forehead and my nose. And you have the ability to make whatever you want smaller. So with my nose, I want to make it a little smaller, so I have the ability to do that with contour. I'm just gonna go in and make the shape that I want, and it's gonna make it smaller. My forehead, make it smaller with the contour. Cheekbones, make them smaller, more snatched with the contour. My chin, make it sculpted, smaller with the contour. And even with your jawline, you wanna make your jawline smaller, go ahead with that contour on the sides. So when you think of contour, think of that. Making your features smaller, like forehead, nose, chin, jawline. Smaller, sculpted, just snatched. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. So next we're going in with some concealer, and with concealer you want to use like 1 to 2 shades lighter than your complexion, and I'm using this one from Fenty Beauty. And this is my concealer placement. I'm gonna go in with another concealer that's like closest to my skin tone. Mix it with that first concealer. Cause I don't want it too light, so I went in with one that's a little closest to my skin tone, and then one that's like 1 or 2 shades lighter. I'm gonna start blending out my chin and my forehead because I don't like it to sit too long in those areas because I don't want it to be too light. And the areas where I apply the concealer, I want those areas to be brighter, like under my eye, brighter, my center of my forehead, brighter, chin area, brighter, and my nose, brighter. So I'm just gonna blend that into my contour and make everything come together. Okay, y'all, now it's time to blend out that concealer. And I think I'm gonna use a dry powder puff. Get you one of these, or get you a brush, flat brush like this. This one is dirty, so I'm gonna use this to blend out my concealer. And I'm gonna start with the edges. Start with the edges. Blend that out first. And just work my way into my inner corner. I'm gonna take that same concealer and clean up my brows. Make sure everything is nice and blended, and then go in with some setting powder, translucent setting powder. I'm using the one from Laura Mercier. This is my go-to setting powder to set my makeup. So you want to go in with your setting powder and set everywhere you apply your concealer. So now you want to go in with some bronzer to set everywhere you apply that contour. I'm going to go in with the bronzer from NYX, and this is Butter Match. I'm going to use one of these brushes, go in with some of that product, but not too much because this is super pigmented and I don't want to use that much. So set everywhere you put that contour. So now it's time for blush. Love me some blush. I'm going in with this one from NYX. If you want to be super heavy with the blush and make it come out super pigmented, go in with your liquid blush and then go in with this. I forgot to go in with this. I kind of didn't want to, so I just stuck to my powder. So I got a new eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna play with a little bit of color today. Just a little bit. Look at this cute packaging. Like, the outside is super cute. And look at these colors. Hey, I got this from the TikTok shop, y'all. So I got this eyeshadow palette from the TikTok shop and I am loving these colors. I'm about to play in some colors today, just a touch. If you want to get access to this eyeshadow palette, click the TikTok link below. You can only get this on TikTok shop, and I'm gonna put the link in the description, so stay tuned for this. I'm gonna go in with this yellow, these two yellows right here, because I'm wearing yellow today and I want to play with some yellow. I'm gonna pack this yellow like on my brow bone. Y'all see that? And then I'm gonna put it like in the inner corner. I'm just gonna take this brown right here and I'm gonna put that in like in right here. Take some of that bronzer. Hey, so I went a little extra with the makeup today. Got a little rhinestone action going. Okay, period. I need to do my lip combo. What the lip combo gonna be? Okay, lip liner. What color is this? Espresso, NYX Espresso. Pink Peppermint MAC. Today we're trying out the new Juvia's Place setting spray. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I literally slayed my makeup per usual. I went a little extra with the glam. Y'all see the rhinestones? It's giving cute. Yes, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Stay tuned for the next video.